The year is 2030. Automated systems hummed in factories across the globe, their tireless arms assembling products with unnerving precision. In bustling city centers, driverless vehicles glided silently through streets once choked with traffic. For Elias Vance, a mid-level manager at a logistics company, this was a world of both wonder and trepidation. He'd witnessed firsthand the relentless march of automation, the slow but steady replacement of human workers with AI-powered systems. His company, once a sprawling network of human employees, was now leaner, more efficient, and undeniably colder. The camaraderie, the human element that had defined his career, was fading into a distant memory. Elias wasn't alone. The narrative of mass unemployment fueled by AI was a daily headline. Protests erupted periodically, fueled by fear and uncertainty. Yet, amid the chaos, a different story was unfolding. New industries were emerging. Industries built not on replacing humans but on augmenting their capabilities. AI-powered tools were assisting surgeons in complex operations, accelerating scientific breakthroughs, and even creating personalized education experiences. Elias, initially resistant to change, found himself increasingly intrigued by this new landscape. He'd always possessed a knack for problem-solving, a creative mind that thrived on complex challenges. He enrolled in a retraining program, focusing on AI development and human-computer interaction. The program was intense, demanding, but it ignited a new passion within him. He learned to design AI systems that worked collaboratively with humans, enhancing their abilities rather than replacing them. He discovered a new kind of satisfaction, a sense of purpose he hadn't felt in years. By 2035, Elias was leading a team of engineers, creating innovative solutions for healthcare and education. His AI-powered system was helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. It was personalizing educational experiences, adapting to each student's unique learning style and pace. The fear of job displacement had given way to a sense of empowerment, of contributing to a world transformed by technology. The narrative had shifted. It wasn't about the end of human jobs, but about the rise of a new era. One where humans and AI worked in harmony, ushering in an unprecedented level of progress and prosperity. The revolution, Elias realized, wasn't about replacing humans, but about enhancing their potential. It was a revolution powered by collaboration, creativity, and a shared vision of a future where technology served humanity, not the other way around.